Without a real technology solution that can take data from all the sources, put it all together as a common data foundation, it's hard to make this data usable. Sight Machine's overall offering in the market is called a manufacturing data platform. The manufacturing data platform is the technology that enables our customers to use data from various sources, make it usable, and do all sorts of analysis and visualizations that they're trying to do to solve real-world problems. There is no other provider in the market right now who's taken an approach similar to what Sight Machine has done to solve this data challenge in manufacturing. IPG was at the forefront of manufacturing transformation across North American manufacturing landscape. The next phase of their actual manufacturing transformation relied heavily on them being able to use all the data that they had in their manufacturing facilities. It was cumbersome, it was hard to use, because the data was extremely varied and was sitting in multiple data sources.
Factory CoPilot is enabling our technical team, process engineers, and frontline managers to understand what things are impacting their process in real time. It can sort through hundreds of data points and bring to the top the ones that are most affecting our quality or other signals that are important to the process.
This is a solution that leverages generative AI technology in collaboration with Microsoft's OpenAI service that truly democratizes the use of manufacturing.
Sight Machine works with Azure OpenAI to provide our Factory CoPilot. The CoPilot is really a way of trying to make it much easier for non-data specialists to access manufacturing data and to use it effectively. Whether you're a manager, an engineer, or even somebody on the plant floor, now you can go through and access the information that you need. And Azure OpenAI is providing us with ChatGPT interfaces. And one of the great things about ChatGPT is that it's got this certain charisma to it, which a lot of other chat clients don't have. There's also the benefit that in these emerging technologies with the privacy and security concerns, Microsoft is a trusted brand name. And so by partnering with Microsoft, it gives them confidence in the answers.
We're now trying to push things further, partnering with both Microsoft and Sight Machine to use advanced analytics along with AI and other technologies to really dig into our data and find new results and new solutions to problems we haven't even found yet.
Microsoft has been a partner to Sight Machine with a lot of commitment around bringing Sight Machine's technology along with overall Azure offering to the market in the most seamless fashion possible.